So my pretty is here. Hi, Winnie Pooh lady. And she brought me a present. But first, renewed. She's ready again. Just had to renew her. I don't want to show y'all my Christmas decor because I'm going to do that all at one time. Just know you see a lot of green. A lot of green. Bam! Wow! Isn't she lovely? Isn't she wonderful? Milk and cookies, blessed in 1 minute. DIY by my daughter with her Cricut Dollar Tree items. Yes, ma'am. So, my fellow Instagrammers, this is a sneak peek of my Christmas decor. But Sylvia, you're not a Christian. Okay, I just like to decorate. Anywho, this is a sneak peek of my green, white, and silver. Oh, look, the $10 set that they have at Aldi's. Sylvia, how much did you pay for it? Well, I got the cup and the saucer from Dollar Tree, and my daughter used her Cricut. So this was less than $3. Bye, y'all. So not only did my daughter drop off her DIY cookies and milk saucer and cup, she also DIY'd this box. This beautiful green and silver box goes with my decor. Yes, ma'am. Yes, she angled it to be this shape she wanted, okay? So let's turn her around and admire her. And guess what this box is for? Now, it could either be for the bottom of this tree or it could be a photo prop. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. That's still my exercise machine I got for my birthday. I still have not opened it. I keep trying. But look at this beauty. Anywho, this box is a photo op for the boys, and they will be taking Christmas photos inside this box. Yes, ma'am. Good day, good day, good day. This is still my exercise machine that I have not opened. So we're gonna try to do that today. The Yovital vibration home twine engine. Anywho, I found these at Food for Less. If you buy 5, you can get them for $2. Welch's sparkling rose grape, sparkling cider, sparkling white grape, sparkling cider, because my theme is green, white, and silver for Christmas. And then we have the Welch's sparkling red grape. Non-alcoholic, of course. And I always pick up one of these, or a couple of these. About $3. Anywho, there you have it. My DIY Christmas boxes. My DIY, I forgot what these things are, but okay. Then my clones filled with Christmas balls. Just give me an A for creativity. This is a 3-yard piece of satin green fabric that I put on an 18 by 18 pillow. I just wrapped it around and put it in a little ball, and it looks like a rose to me. A little diva on her way to school. She even acted like a diva. I just like putting these numbers up because I seem to always catch them. Here's me. I was with Super Baby.